go with the guided meditation and use your visualizations and imaginations to help you with it. Do not force yourself to get any kind of experiences. If you feel anything, well and good. If you do not feel anything, well and good. Okay, so close your eyes, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. As you are breathing in, your body is getting heavier and heavier and heavier. As you are breathing out, it is getting more heavier, which is completely fine. There is a white, shining, bright star above your head. The vibration of the star is entering in your body, making your body more heavier. Allow this vibration to enter each and every DNA cell, every being of your existence. You may feel tingling, you may feel goosebumps, you may feel some vibrations. That is completely fine. The vibrations are now getting out of your feet and transmitted to Mother Earth. Vibrationally, you're connected to the heavens and to the earth right now. We have Archangel Michael. Blue sword of Archangel Michael is cutting all the negative, illegal and unauthorized cords attached to your physical body, emotional body and mental body right now. As these cords are getting released, you may feel lighter or more heavier. That is completely fine. Archangel Michael has wrapped you in his wings, and through the time and dimension portal, you have been taken into a mystical forest. They say that today we have to travel interdimensionally to various places for our healing to occur. This mystical forest is the kingdom of fairies. On the occasion of Vesak, fairies want you to connect to the Mother Earth and our very primordial nature. This connection will happen through the light language codes that will come through me. You can just sit down or lie down anywhere in that forest. Fairies have surrounded you. You can feel their vibrations, joyful vibrations around your ears or around your palms. They are ready to transmit the energies which will strengthen your connection to Mother Earth. And I will be speaking some light quotes. Just tune in. This is rectifying your vibrational field. Allow the soles of your feet to open up and connect to Mother Earth. The rectification has been done. Now there are fairies who wish to align you to the vibration of Mother Earth. Hashidata Hattakashutata Hai, Shititi, Hishitata Hatta Shititi, Hitashutata Hashititi, Hishititi, Hisitita, Ashatati, Ashutata, Harashata, Hatata, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. You are under the protection of Archangel Michael, very, very powerful Archangel. Breathe in, breathe out. Let this vibration fill your complete being. Allow yourself to become these vibrations. Through the interdimension portal, we have few dragon energies as well. I could sense a white dragon. Definitely a crystal yellow dragon is here. And there is a blue dragon surrounding you. And the strong dragon energy is coming into your field. It is cleansing your crown chakra. Pay attention on your crown at the top of your head. Allow it to open. This is a gateway of your soul to connect to your original essence. Your crown has been cleansed. The dragons are aligning your energies to the higher dimensions. Hari hati hati hiti hushi ha atta hati hi kutushata atta hi shiti titi 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 hi shiti titi titi titi. Some of your star family members are trying to connect to you. You may or may sense their energies or see them or feel them. Be comfortable. It is very safe to have a connection with them. Even if you do not sense anything, they are here in your energetic field, blessing you, sending you the energy of remembrance to your star origins. Pay attention to your heart. Your heart is opening. Because when you're connected to your star origins, only one thing can happen, and that is opening of your heart. As your heart opens, you vibrate at the highest frequency, at the pure frequency of divine love. Do not hold your heart. Do not hold the closed doors of your heart. Please open it. There are still some resistances. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Pay attention to your crown. The codes of remembrance has been installed in your crown and in your heart. Pay attention to your crown, to your heart, and to the souls, to your souls simultaneously. The fairies and dragons are working together now in your energetic field, and the healing or the energies is different for each one of you. Tune into it. Hi shata hatta haka shiti hiti ti hashiti titi asha titi titi ti kasha hattata hiri shiti titi hashiti titi titi hishiti titi titi. Breathe in, breathe out. It is time now to move into some very crucial time Archangel Michael, dragons, and fairies are assisting you to travel through the portal of time and dimension into the ancient Egypt. You are standing on the land of Egypt. Feel the land below your feet. What are you feeling? What is the texture of the land? Your physical brain may not be able to recognize this connection at this point in time, but some time back, some thousand years ago, this was your home. The space is very, very familiar to your soul, and lot of soul work has to be done here today. The Archangel Michael, fairies, and dragons are taking you into the temple of Isis, somewhere in or around pyramid. Just go with them, allow and surrender yourself. Mentally repeat, I allow, I surrender. I allow, I surrender. You are into the temple of Isis. Goddess Isis is mother of all goddesses. Very, very powerful energy. Suddenly, her statue becomes alive and she is standing in front of you. This is a very safe space. This temple holds very ancient healing energies and codes, which is embedded in your soul, and today it will get reactivated. Isis is speaking something, some ancient mantra or something, like just try to tune in. Hear whatever you're hearing, feel whatever you're feeling. Sense whatever you're sensing. Allow Isis to reactivate your codes. Just listen. Hakkarata hatididi hashididi kashadada hashididi hishadada hakkadada hishadada hashididi hashididi hashidi. Pay attention to the back of your heart and at the top of your head simultaneously. Hikkarata hashididi kashadada hashididi hashadada hakkadada hishadidi hishadada hirashadada hashididi hishadada hashididi atsadada hishadada hishadada hashididi harashadada kashadada kashadada Breathe in, breathe out. Hi shata hata hata hakushata da hashata kata hisita da shata da hara shata da hishita da hishita da shukasata da shiti. The codes have been reactivated. These are the codes. This is the reactivation of remembrance from your life in Egypt. Receive it with grace. She is sending energy to internalize these codes within your physical body, emotional body, mental body, and spiritual body. Goddess Saraswati is here and she has placed her hand at the back of your heart and another hand at the back of your head. And she is transmitting powerful white energies which will make you super still and super peaceful. Shiha siti ashiti hi shiti hi ashahati ti ahishiti titi hashiti titi. Just breathe in, breathe out. Allow these goddesses to work with your physical system and energy system. I allow, I surrender. I allow, I surrender. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. You have been given all the healing energies and activation in the temple of Isis. Now all these great masters ask you to move out of the temple or the pyramid into the open space. It is a clear night with bright full moon. Just observe the full moon, and the essence of Lord Buddha is coming towards you. He is bringing the Vesak energies, which will help you to upgrade spiritually further in coming days. He is standing in front of you. He may or may not appear in the form we know him, as we know him, and that is completely fine. Receive him in whatever form he is coming towards you. He is sending energies into your third eye. You may feel a very strong pressure at the forehead. Breathe from your forehead. Allow these energies to come into your body. Breathe in from your forehead. Breathe out from your forehead. Breathe in from your forehead. Breathe out from your forehead. These masters stand and surround you, and they say that you have been cleansed of all your past baggages. Obviously, as per your karmic entitlement, you may have to work little more, but the grace of these masters which they have bestowed on you today will take you in your journey further towards the ascension with a increased speed, very, very high speed. There is some sound activation happening. For some of you, just tune in. The sound is creating very high vibrations and very strong vibrations in your body. We say that it is time to align our vibrations with Mother Nature and with the universe. Because we all are one. We are either in alignment or in non-alignment. And whatever is in non-alignment will be shaken very drastically in coming days. And to all of you who have chosen to be present here today, you're blessed. You're blessed infinitely. You're blessed infinitely. Imagine energies and vibrations coming out of your feet and your hand, going to the Mother Earth as they are transmitting energies through you to the Mother Earth. They are making you channel to help increase the vibration of Mother Earth as well. Breathe in, breathe out, and with each exhalation, you're channeling strong energies into the Mother Earth. Bless her. Visualize each and every being on planet Earth happy, joyful, smiling, completely healed, abundant, prosperous, protected, safeguarded, having harmonious relationships. Imagine heaven on earth beyond your wildest dreams. Bless, 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 bless. Bless your family members. Bless your projects. Bless your work. Bless your professional relationships. Imagine yourself in front of you. Bless yourself. Bless your physical body. Bless your emotional body. Bless your mental body. Bless your soul. Thank your higher soul for allowing you to take this decision and make this journey today. For allowing you to Work with these great masters, dragon energies, fairies. Go down to them with humility and gratitude. Archangel Michael lifts you up in his wings and brings you back into your physical form, into your reality, into the space where you started this journey. But you come back with all the higher vibrations, reactivated codes, remembrance, blessings, connection to dragons, connection to fairies. You have brought in all of these blessings today. Thank Archangel Michael for all of his protection and care. Thank you, Archangel Michael, with great humility. Thank you. Thank you, fairies. Thank you, dragons. Thank you, Goddess Isis. Thank you, Goddess Saraswati. Thank you, Lord Buddha. Thank you, Mother Nature, and all the elements of the nature who are responsible for it, for our existence, and in return, we are responsible for their existence. Celebrate this connectedness and this interdependentness. A light transmission is coming through me, which will help you assimilate and integrate the energies in this reality. Just tune in for a few seconds. He shahata hati he kashti tata hashati titi he kiti tata atta chutta tata atta chutta tata hashati titi he shiti titi hashati tata hashati titi kashti tata chutta tata tata. This is helping your physical body to absorb all these higher vibrations and adjust to it. Hirita atta hakata hata hata hashati tata he kishiti tita hashati tata hashati tata hiri shiti titi hiri shiti titi hiri shiti titi. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Oh, it was very heavy transmission today. Whenever you're ready, you can open your eyes